Nice to be here. I think it's a nice gesture because after 25 years in the Irish Navy, you're wearing your green sweaters there.
Yeah.
So we're going to do little tricks with blowtorches.
All right,
They're probably the fastest cooking in the world today. They're about 10,000 faster than microwave.
How long will it take you to cook up this?
About 16 seconds for
16
about 3
seconds?
pounds of shred within it.
Okay, here we go.
To do with that, now let's put a little sauce into it and win business.
Is that right? That's finished, huh?
I can put that there because
Hello there!